Wow, titanium case with an abalone core? This is one beautiful smart ring. Look at this puppy. It defies words, and every one is unique because it's actual abalone that they're using in the ring itself. Hypoallergenic on the inside. You can see all of the electronics in there. Magnetically coupled for charging. It's quite the ring, a Nebula, and it pairs with an app that gives you a lot of data, including a one-time quick read of your mind and body readiness. Integrated together, it's looking at components of your sleep, your activity, your heart rate, and your blood oxygen to compute that and tell you what your number is for the day. You also have readings on the ring for heart rate, blood oxygen, heart rate variability, and stress. All of those are read from the instrument directly on your finger. You manually can input info on your mental state. Ladies, you can monitor your menstrual cycle. Blood pressure readings and blood sugar can be taken manually, and all that stuff integrated together. The app has a lot of detail to it. The ring itself is sweet and comes in a variety of sizes. It's called the Nebula. Check it out.